Hello guys, welcome back. Discover the future of K-beauty in 2026 with 5 game-changing skincare essentials loved worldwide. From calming Centella serums to powerful Snail Mucin repair and deeply hydrating lip care, these products promise glow, hydration, and skin barrier strength. Ready to upgrade your routine with Korea's most trusted beauty innovations? Let's dive in. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is a popular Korean skincare essence designed to deeply hydrate, repair the skin barrier, and improve overall skin texture. The formula contains about 96% snail secretion filtrate, which is known for nourishing the skin, boosting hydration, and helping repair damaged or stressed skin. This high concentration makes it more potent compared to many other essences that contain much lower levels of snail mucin. This essence helps target multiple skin concerns including dryness, dullness, uneven texture, post-acne marks, and redness. It works by delivering moisture deep into the skin while supporting the skin's natural healing process. Key supporting ingredients like sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, and allantoin help lock in moisture, soothe irritation, and strengthen the skin barrier. The texture is lightweight, slightly viscous, and fast-absorbing, allowing it to layer easily with other skincare products without feeling heavy or greasy. It is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin, and is often used to help achieve a hydrated, glass skin glow. With consistent use, this essence may help improve skin smoothness, hydration levels, and overall radiance. Clinical testing and product studies suggest it can increase skin moisture and reduce visible redness while enhancing natural glow. To use, apply after cleansing and toning, gently pat into the skin, and follow with moisturizer and sunscreen in the daytime. Number 4. Purito Centella Unscented Serum. Purito Centella Unscented Serum is a gentle, fragrance-free Korean skincare serum designed to soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and strengthen the skin barrier. It is especially popular among people with sensitive, acne-prone, or stressed skin because it avoids harsh ingredients, artificial fragrance, and essential oils. The formula contains a high percentage of Centella Asiatica extract, a plant ingredient known for calming inflammation, supporting skin healing, and helping repair damaged skin. In addition to Centella, the serum includes powerful supporting ingredients like panthenol, ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients help hydrate the skin, improve elasticity, and protect against environmental damage. Ceramides and peptides help strengthen the skin barrier, while hyaluronic acid and panthenol help retain moisture and prevent dryness. The texture is lightweight and gel-like, allowing it to absorb quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky or heavy feeling. Because of this, it works well in both morning and nighttime skincare routines and layers easily with moisturizers and sunscreen. It is suitable for most skin types, including oily, combination, and sensitive skin. This serum is also known for helping calm acne marks, irritation, and redness while improving overall skin texture and resilience with consistent use. Dermatological and irritation tests show it is generally safe for sensitive skin, although patch testing is still recommended for first-time users. Overall, Purito Centella Unscented Serum is a minimalist, skin-friendly product focused on soothing, hydration, and long-term skin barrier support, making it a reliable option for daily skincare routines. Number 3. Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm/Cleanser. Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm is a luxury Korean oil-based cleanser designed to remove makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil while nourishing the skin. It is typically used as the first step of a double cleansing routine. The balm combines lightweight plant oils such as olive oil, grapeseed oil, and sea buckthorn seaberry oil, which help dissolve oil-based impurities while supporting the skin barrier. The formula is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Sea buckthorn oil contains omega fatty acids and carotenoids that help nourish and protect skin, while olive oil provides anti-inflammatory and barrier-supporting benefits. Grapeseed oil and vitamin E add antioxidant protection and help keep skin soft and hydrated after cleansing. This cleansing balm has a sorbet-like texture that melts into oil when massaged onto dry skin, then emulsifies into a milky texture when water is added. It effectively removes sebum, sunscreen, and makeup while leaving skin smooth and clean without stripping moisture. Many users report that it gently melts away makeup and leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated, though some find the texture slightly thick compared to lighter cleansers. The product is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without mineral oil, alcohol, parabens, silicone, artificial coloring, or synthetic fragrance, making it suitable for most skin types. To use, massage a small amount onto dry skin, add warm water to emulsify, then rinse and follow with a water-based cleanser for best results. Number 2. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is a best-selling Korean overnight lip treatment designed to deeply hydrate, soften, and repair dry or chapped lips while you sleep. It is a leave-on lip mask that forms a protective moisture layer to help lips feel smoother and softer by morning. The formula is known for providing intense overnight hydration with a rich, melt-on balm texture that feels cushiony but non-sticky on the lips. The mask contains key skincare ingredients such as berry fruit complex, hyaluronic moisture technology, vitamin C, and nourishing plant butters. Berry extracts provide antioxidants to help protect lips from environmental stress, while hyaluronic ingredients help attract and retain moisture. Ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and muramura seed butter help nourish and soften lips while sealing in hydration overnight. This lip mask is designed to target common lip concerns such as dryness, flakiness, rough texture, and dullness. With regular use, it can help improve lip smoothness, reduce the look of fine dry lines, and prepare lips for lipstick application the next day. Many users also use a thin layer during the daytime as a hydrating gloss-like balm. To use, apply a generous layer on clean lips as the final step of your nighttime skincare routine and leave it on overnight. In the morning, gently wipe off any remaining product. It is suitable for most lip types, especially dry or dehydrated lips. Overall, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is considered a hydration-focused lip treatment combining antioxidants, moisturizing oils, and advanced moisture-locking technology for healthier, softer lips with consistent use. Number 1. Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum is a globally popular Korean skincare product known for delivering deep hydration, antioxidant protection, and skin barrier support. Designed for all skin types, this lightweight serum uses green tea extract and green tea seed oil sourced from Jeju Island to help replenish moisture, soothe irritation, and improve overall skin texture. The formula also typically includes hydrating agents like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and soothing ingredients such as panthenol and allantoin, which help keep skin soft, balanced, and healthy looking. One of the serum's biggest strengths is its moisture-boosting capability. Clinical and product data suggest it can improve hydration levels shortly after application while helping strengthen the skin's natural barrier over time. Some versions also contain niacinamide, which supports brighter, more even-looking skin tone and helps reduce dullness. The combination of green tea antioxidants and amino acids helps protect the skin from environmental stressors while maintaining a fresh, glowing complexion. The texture is lightweight and fast-absorbing, making it suitable for layering in multi-step skincare routines. It works well as a first serum after cleansing to lock in moisture and prep the skin for additional treatments. Many users and beauty editors appreciate it for being gentle and versatile enough for daily use, especially in warm or humid climates where heavier creams may feel uncomfortable. Overall, Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum is ideal for people looking for reliable daily hydration, antioxidant care, and a smoother, healthier skin appearance without a heavy or greasy finish. Its balance of natural plant extracts and modern hydrating ingredients makes it a staple product in many K-beauty routines focused on long-lasting moisture and skin barrier care.